February 5, 2024. Oh my, I tried to do this twice making a video and my camera is not cooperating. So let's hope it cooperates long enough to get through this. That's a bearing packer. That's a 3/4 inch drive, 1 3/8 inches. Try to keep the tools clean when you're doing bearings, boys and girls. Anyway, let it get dirty. But here we go. So, I've greased this already. And I packed this bearing. I'm going to put a little bit of that stuff out here on the outside of it. It's a nice unbranded bearing. I paid $65 for both sides. That's both races, both cones. So, I've already driven on the other side. Like I said, I was trying to make a video earlier. But camera battery's not quite into camera battery. Period. Don't hit the cage. Stay on the race. And I am on a steel plate. That sounds good. Voila! Carrier's done. At least for this part of it. There's both sides. Now, since I've still got some battery life left, I hope, just barely, I'm going to set this aside right here so we can. And we're going to look at this bracket right here. Put a bracket on this so this don't fall out. Then you get to drive this out. Anyway, on this case over here, there's a spacer. And since I didn't get my video driving this one in, there is a spacer underneath this one right here on this side. Alright? Unbranded bearings. They don't want to put their name on it. I guess y'all didn't get God didn't want you to watch those videos I made earlier because He didn't want you to listen to my loud blather and stuff concerning this. But we're going to take that race out. And we're going to put this race in. And then we're going to start cleaning and reassembling. God bless in the 405.